for a little bit. In there.
Not much, man. Don't let it run out.
I won't.
Want me to show you how to make it go fast?
How what?
Make it go fast.
Yeah.
Oh, wait. No, not that.
This right here is the throttle. No, wait, what?
See those two little bolts right there?
I do.
You take those bolts out. You can open this thing up even farther than just that. All you gotta do is loosen that right there.
Oh, okay.
Cut that. Well, actually try not to cut that.
Oh. What's this right here?
That ain't old, bub. That ain't old. Is it?
I think it's diesel.
I think it's diesel. Smell like diesel, man? That's diesel, bub.
Oh.
You know how to cut it off?
Yeah, you gotta pull that lever right there.
Pull the kill, not the choke.
Alright then, so.
It's the same thing. They don't cut it off.
Alright, so.
Yeah, because look, that's coming from the diesel.
Yeah, it's covered in it right here.
This whole line's got to be replaced. Look at this line.
It's covered in it.
Is it coming up? It's not coming up.
No, I know, but it's coming out of that nut right there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, it may be coming out the top of that.
See what I'm saying? Oh, you got the clutch in this one.
Yeah, I got you.
It's not like the old John Deere that don't care. The old John Deere don't. Have your daddy's out? Oh yeah, we gotta have that.
All good.
Hold on.
I got it.
That's diesel.
Yeah.
But look, it's wet up here.
It's all dry up there.
No, it ain't. Look at that.
Oh, no, I was talking about up here.
Right there. That's hydraulic pump right there. That's very decent. That's your dual filter.
Yeah, that's gotta be your phone.
Hold on 1 second. Wow. Cloth around here? Is there a cloth? The cloth.
See that make it pop.
What does that mean, pop?
We'll see.
You know what I'm talking about? Fueling the ignition.
Let's just. Alright, chap. I think that's good.
You don't know what's gonna happen with that. All the bearings feel good on everything.
Yeah, I took those off yesterday. I took off that. Everything, it's really well
Needs
greased.
some water in it, looks like.
Well, it's good on coolant.
Special ed kids.
Oh, are we?
So we're gonna have to
What? Well, we were looking at this.
put the crunking out until after school.
Well, it runs.
Yeah, we got a problem though.
It does?
Fuel leak right
Oh,
here.
it runs good, but this whole line.
It's soaked in
Look
it.
at- Yeah, it's soaked in that. I don't know if it needs to be tightened.
Must
if
be
somebody-
coming out of
What is that?
some type of fuel adjustment valve. I'm not sure. I unscrewed it the other day and it came all the way out. And I
Well,
put it back in.
that's probably why it's leaking. I think we found our problem.
Very well might be.
But I mean, this whole line right here is just covered in it.
Yeah. But it
But
runs
the
good.
battery
Oh, it runs
Oh, yeah.
good. I